Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by locking in scale and value quickly. Block in a light gestural sketch, then mix a low chroma underpaint using burnt umber and a touch of ultramarine. Once done, apply thin washes to map major planes. This establishes form and shadow so later color reads correctly. Make sure to keep edges loose now to avoid overworking. Use a medium that extends drying time if you need more blending. This first pass is about proportion, mass, and a clear value structure. You now translate that value map into color, lay in local tones with mid-values, then sculpt planes with darker and lighter accents. Once the mid-tones are established, use glazing to shift hue without losing value. This preserves form and creates skin depth. Make sure to alternate broad strokes and small controlled marks for features. If edges need softening, work wet on wet. For sharp details like the iris or lip edge, wait until the layer is tacky or dry, so you maintain crispness where it matters. You finish by dialing contrast and clarity. Place final highlights sparingly and check color temperature across the face to unify light. Once details are in, step back frequently to spot proportion errors and fix them with tiny, confident strokes. If something looks flat, apply a thin warm or cool glaze. If values are too dark, lift paint gently with a damp cloth or soft brush while it is fresh. If a mistake has dried, sand lightly or paint a local correction after an isolation coat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.